Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to turn off notifications for fundraisers and crises on Facebook. If you're feeling overwhelmed by constant alerts about fundraising events or crises, this step-by-step process will help you regain control over your notifications. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings easily. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon, located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Once the menu is open, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and then select Settings from the expanded options. This will take you to a new screen where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Now, focus on the Notifications section. Tap on it to see all your notification preferences. Here, you will find different categories of notifications that you can manage. Scroll down until you see Fundraisers and Crises. Tap on this option to access specific settings related to these notifications. You will see a toggle switch labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. To turn off these notifications, simply toggle this switch off. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking if you're sure about this change. Confirm your choice. And just like that, you've successfully turned off notifications for fundraisers and crises. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more peaceful Facebook experience without the constant reminders about fundraisers or crisis alerts that may not interest you. Remember, it's perfectly okay to customize your notifications to suit your preferences. Thank you for joining me today. Now you can browse Facebook without those pesky alerts interrupting your day. Enjoy your time online.